Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another Amazon haul. Guys, this is a ginormous haul. Let me just warn you right now. All these pieces are from Amazon. It's from a store named Milumia. This video is not sponsored, but these were sent to me, so I want to say a big thank you to Milumia for sending me all these pieces. And I am so excited because you guys know this is what I do here on my channel. This is my job. I love to review different fashion pieces, let you guys know what I think, if it's worth the buy. And I'm very excited about this haul, guys, because it's a huge one. I have so many pieces that I picked up. I think I have at least 20 items. You might want to get some snacks, your favorite drink, and enjoy the show. I'm gonna get right into it, but before we begin, if this is your first time watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And just so you know, I do post 5 to 6 days a week, so I'd love to have you. Why not join me? And also please follow me on Instagram and LTK. I will have all the links down below, along with all the links for all the clothing pieces that I will show you. These are really affordable pricing. Starting off with this gorgeous royalty feeling dress. I absolutely love this dress. I love it so much that I want to get it in the green as well. They also have it in this gorgeous green, but I got this one. This is red and it has black in the mix with some nude, and I love the red buttons. It has a beautiful tassel right here. I love the fact that it's long sleeve and it just gives a really nice look to the dress. I like how it's flowy and then it's cinched in right here. Overall, I just feel like this dress looks very expensive, but it's so affordable, guys. And the reason why I really love this is that even though I'm 5'1", I feel like it hits me at the perfect length. And yes, it is quite long, but I'm gonna wear this with some wedge sandals. This, I would have to say, my #1 pick from this haul. Moving on to another dress is this button up top right here. And it looks like this. I absolutely love this one as well. This is so pretty. And I got this one actually, so if I didn't mention this, I got in a medium, but I got this in a size large because the first time they sent it to me in the medium. It did not fit. I do think it fits really nice. Very unique style dress. I know I'm gonna wear this a lot. Absolutely love it. The only thing I will say is because I am very curvy, I have wide hips and thighs, I do feel like these buttons right here are kind of about to open up. So I think I'm gonna have to lose some weight before I actually feel really comfortable wearing this, but I know I'm gonna keep this for sure. This dress is so pretty, but like I said, guys, keep in mind this has no give, no stretch whatsoever. It is a button down, so it does button down. It has a nice collar. It's really beautiful. I love the blue and the white. I think it's perfect for the summertime. Just the overall beautiful dress. And then one of my favorite skirts is this one right here. So this one is a wrap dress. Well, it's not a full wrap dress, but it looks like a wrap dress. I honestly thought it was a full wrap dress when I seen it online, but it's not. And it is this one right here. I honestly wanted the one in the color black, but they didn't have that one in stock, so I got it in the green, and it is really beautiful still. You guys know I love green, so I really love this one as well. I got this one in the size medium. It does have the zipper opening right here, and it has this tie up right here. The only thing I will say about this is that because I have wide hips, this does not work for me. I feel like it just it's sitting on my hips really weird, and it just didn't work out. So I know this, I'll have to get it in the size large to make it work, because other than that, I don't like the way it looks. I like it to be flowing off my body, and it just sits on me in a very weird way. This is really pretty overall, guys. I highly recommend it for the summertime. Look at the print, guys. It is so pretty. They do have these in multiple colors. This is another one of my favorites. This is a bathing suit cover up, and this is a type of bathing suit cover up that I can actually wear as a kimono cardigan, as a throw over in the summertime. I really love that look. I feel like it just gives you a sheer chic, sophisticated look. So I am gonna wear it both ways. This is so pretty. I wanted this in the color black. It does have this tie up right here, so you can cinch it in and have it more cinched in, or you can just let it flow. I really love this. I love the fact that it's really nice and long. And of course, you guys know I had to get it in the color black. I got this in the size medium. And moving on to another bathing suit cover-ups. I am like on a mission to get like several bathing suit cover-ups because I know I'm gonna be going to the pool a lot this summer. I know you do. And I really love this bathing suit cover-up. It looks like this. I love the detail. I know, baby. I really love the pom-poms going all the way down, and I love this tassel. I like the detail, guys. I think it's really, really pretty. It has this slit right here on each side. I also got this in the size medium. Feels like a lightweight linen material and just overall beautiful. So if you guys are looking for some really nice bathing suit cover-ups, I would definitely recommend the white or the black. It doesn't matter. I guess it just depends like what kind of style you're into. And then moving on to some shorts. I really love these shorts right here. I got these in a size large and they look like this. These, because I feel like they're more on the shorter side, I wanted to make sure I get in a large, and they fit really nice. It does have pockets right here, and it does have this tie up right here around the waist. It is kind of like a paperback style shorts, and it fits really nice. It doesn't have any stretch, so just keep that in mind, but it fits nicely, very good quality. And I just honestly, I really love these. I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of them. Let me give you guys a quick close-up. Absolutely love them. They actually look very chic and sophisticated, and they look more expensive. Love them that much that I also had to get it in the olive green. I love this color. It is so beautiful. Again, no stretch, but it's really nice. You guys know I'm into the olive green. I think these are perfect to put over your bathing suit. They're just gorgeous overall, or you can use them for every day on those hot summer days. I love them. They're so pretty, and again, they have them in multiple colors. Moving on to this top. I really love this top. I know this I'm actually gonna wear a lot because you guys know I love black. Love the way that looks. I just think it looks so sophisticated, and it looks more expensive than it really is. Like I would look like $1 million with this, and it's just a nice tank top. They have them in different colors, but I decided to get it in the black. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I like the fact that it's very breathable, very airy. It has a lot of movement and flowy, comfortable and flattering, and it's a nice stretchy material. It's slightly sheer, as you can see, but when I put it on my body, it's not see-through. So as long as you're wearing like a black bra, you're fine. I don't recommend you wear a nude bra with this because it will show, just because it has like a sheer look to it. But if you wear a black bra, it won't show at all. So I really love this one. And then I also got this right here. So these are very on trend right now. They have these cutouts right here on the pants. And I love them, but I know I'm not gonna wear them just because they are way too long for me. I'm 5'1", and this does not work for me. Like, this is just way too long. I really did want this to work, but unfortunately, because it's too long, I can't. If you're probably like 5'5" and taller, this will definitely work for you. Other than that, they're really nice quality pants. They have like a slight stretch, but at the same time, it cinches you in, and it's really nice and flattering, though, I have to say. Moving on to these pants right here. These are the flare pants. I got them in the leopard. I just love them. So they look like this. I got these, I believe, in the size medium. So yeah, I got these in the medium. They're really nice quality. I love them. They're very comfortable, guys. Look at that. Very nice and stretchy. And I like that. If you guys are into like these stretchy flare pants, I do recommend them. They're very flattering. Getting into the flare pants, I think they're very flattering. Moving on to this skirt right here. So this skirt, I got it in a size large, and it looks like this. It's a beautiful pleated skirt, and I love the way it hits me. It's not too short. I feel like it's the perfect length. I don't like my skirts to be like mini skirts, but I think this is beautiful. I can even wear this to church. It's so nice. I got it in the color black, of course. It does have the zipper right here, and I just love the pleated look to it. I just think it's very nice, very dressy, and so flowy, so girly. Quality is very nice, guys. I do recommend this. This is really, really beautiful. Moving on to this one right here, I got this top and I wanted to get it in a really vibrant color. As you can see, this is a really beautiful neon pink, and it has the ruffle details right here, and then in the back it does have the button closure, and it has this little peekaboo right here. It has the beautiful poofy sleeves as well, which I love. I think I'm really into that right now. I just think it makes me feel very bold, and I just love it overall. The only thing I will say is a little tight right up here, so I would have to get this in a size large because this has no give, no stretch whatsoever. But other than that, this is a really beautiful top. They do have them in multiple colors. Moving on to another dress, I got this one right here because I thought it was so beautiful. The way it looked on the model is gorgeous. So it's a maxi dress. It's really nice and beautiful, very long, but I think it hits me at the perfect length. I love it, and it does have like it stops right here and it flows out, so it has this slick opening in the middle. It is button up all the way. It has a cinched waist, and it has 3/4 inch sleeves. The only thing I will say, the reason why I probably won't wear this dress is the fact that it's a very low v-neck. When I seen it on the model, I don't know why I thought that you can still button it up all the way, but you can't. And that's a bummer for me because it's just too revealing for my taste. Unfortunately, this is a miss for me just because it's too low. Other than that, it's really beautiful dress. Then here's another dress, guys. I know I've been getting a lot of dresses lately because for the summertime, guys, I love to wear dresses more than anything. And I got this one right here. I got it in a size large because I knew it's gonna be like a bodycon style dress, and I didn't want it to be too tight on me, but even then it still kind of fitted. So I like it, but I think this is gonna be more of a dress that I'm gonna wear with like a coat over it when it's gonna be fall time. I really like it. I think it's a very nice quality, very nice and stretchy, and at the same time it cinches you in. It does have a tie-up right here where you could tie it around your waist. I do like that because I think it makes the dress look even more sophisticated. It has a mock neck. This is not ribbed. Yeah, this is not ribbed, but it's a really nice stretchy material. The thing I love about this is that it's not see-through whatsoever. If you want like a really nice tan colored dress, this is beautiful. Moving on to one of my favorite skirts, and it is this one right here. This definitely gives me Chanel vibes. I absolutely love it. I got it in the size large because with skirts like this, I'm always afraid that it's gonna sit on my hips really weird because I have wide hips. But honestly, I could have got this in a size medium because it's a bit big. It's still really nice. It fits me, but I do have a lot of space around my waist. This quality is so nice. It's a really nice tweed material. And like I said, it gives me Chanel vibes. I love the buttons and everything about it. And it does have this right here. So it has this cutout right here. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I do feel like this is the only thing that kind of killed it. I don't understand it. Why? Like, why? Why? I don't know. Like, I wish it would have just been all the way. This just kind of kills it for me. I mean, I know that probably you don't mind that, but for me personally, this is the only thing that I'm like, ugh, I wish they didn't do that, honestly. Other than that, I think it's a beautiful, beautiful skirt. Feels very nice quality, very nice tweed material. The last two items I wanted to show you guys are some shorts, and these are definitely a miss. And I'm not gonna even show you guys how it looks on me because it would look really ridiculous. It's unfortunate because I thought these are probably gonna be like my favorite shorts ever, you know, and that's not how it went. First of all are these right here. I love these so much, but they don't look right on me. I got them in a size large, and yeah, just doesn't work. It just doesn't. Obviously, it has no stretch whatsoever. My butt cheeks are hanging out with this, and it's really tight on my hips. Like everything else, I can definitely close it, but it's tight on my hips. My butt cheeks are hanging out. It does not look right. And it's funny because my friend bought this one And on her it looks beautiful, but on me it just looks like I look like a joke, honestly. And they have no rips, no tears to them. It's just a nice light wash denim. The quality is really good, guys. The only thing I will say, if you're really curvy like me, size up, I would probably have to get these in the extra large, because I like these shorts to be like kind of loose on me. Other than that, they're amazing. Oh, I still do love that. This come cuffs, so you can't uncuff this. And then last but not least, I also got it in this color. They're exactly the same as the ones I just showed you, but this one I believe they call it color apricot. But I won't show you guys how these look on me either, because again, my butt cheeks are hanging out with this, and I think I said butt cheeks so many times in this video, but it's just the honest truth. Other than that, these are still really beautiful, and I really love the fact that it's a very unique color. I don't ever see a color like this in jeans, so I do still really love them. And then moving on to another top that I am loving. This is so pretty. I got this in the large because this has no stretch right here, so just keep that in mind. There is no give to this whatsoever. So glad I got it in a large. It is really beautiful. They also have this in the black. I do want to pick it up in the black as well. I love the sleeves. It's very nice and flowy, and then right here it's cinched in and smocked. I love the fact that it's smocked right here, so it gives you a nice cinched waist, and then it flows out right here at the bottom. So beautiful, guys. This is probably gonna be one of my favorites from Amazon, period. And that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, God bless. Bye.